In this video, I will show you exactly how to transform your standard web forms into a sleek and professional pop-up display using Typeform. Adding a pop-up mode is a fantastic way to capture attention and provide a smooth user experience without cluttering your page layout. To get started, you first need to open your specific Typeform and navigate toward the top of the interface, where you will find the Share tab. Once you click on Share, take a look at the options available in the left-hand panel of your screen. From this menu, you want to identify and select the option labeled Embed in a web page. This is where the magic happens, and where you can customize how your form appears to your visitors. After you click that, a variety of embedding styles will appear on your screen, but for this tutorial, we are focusing on the pop-up mode. Go ahead and select the pop-up option from the list. You will see several customization settings that allow you to tweak the appearance, but once you are happy with the setup, click the button that says Get the Code. A small window will appear containing a generated snippet of code. Copy this entire snippet very carefully, because this is what you need to integrate into your website. Finally, navigate over to your own website's HTML editor and paste that code directly into the section where you want the link or button to appear. By following these simple steps, you have successfully created a modern pop-up interaction that feels integrated and premium. It really is that straightforward to elevate your design and make your forms more engaging for every user who visits your site. This simple change can significantly improve your conversion rates and make the entire data collection process feel much more interactive and exciting for your audience. Thank you for following along with this quick guide on perfecting your web presence.